Holy shit! Leland, you make your stuff really loud. Oh my, vibrating the ground, people! Holy shit! Oh my god, I hear all the ones just dead. Oh, there's another one there. Now they have the attack. They just give it a few seconds. See what it's gonna do. This is only a test. This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. It's still rotating. It's still. Okay, it's not going off, but it's still rotating. Eventually that's gonna stop, right? I think they're doing an XI test. I don't know if that's like a sign if it's gonna go off again or what? Wonder. It's not stopped yet. I'm just gonna film until it does that. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Has been the test. This has been the test of the emergency warning system. This was only a test. This was a test of the emergency warning system. This was only a test. Did you hear me?
Yeah, why? That's interesting that it moved even though it wasn't making noise, that it continued to move.
I don't know. I think they were doing an XI test. I was trying to tell you that.
What's that?
It's just where they rotate it and see if it rotates.
Oh.
I think they're just doing that just to make sure.
Huh. You probably know. But yeah, the two different sounds. Did you notice that?
Yeah, it just went.
It does the one sound and then it does the other sound. All right, shut your door.
Well, yep, it's done. That means how they're gonna go off on May 16th now.
No.
Yeah.
What for?
Because it's another test day, right?
No.
Where they're gonna do the 3-minute alert.
No, that was just the one time.
Oh.
On tornado awareness.
Oh, they don't have that every month?
No, just the one time.
Oh well. So I guess we're gonna have to wait until June something.
Yep.
Until I kind of want to do. I heard some other ones winding down, and then they did. Well, it's definitely made by speaker drivers because it does that. It's not like a
All right, so
thing where they have
now, so I can.
Yeah, plant flowers, and they can do that.